Okay, again, I am Ruby Viviana de la Casa. Thank you so much for having me here as your host, even though this is my first time, guys. Welcome to Tres Marias Farm Resort. Ang ganda pala dito. Ayan, first time ko din dito nakapunta. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let me introduce to you the reason why we are all gathered here tonight. Let us all stand as we welcome the very handsome man of the day, our debutant, none other than Prince Alexis de la Cruz Buenaventura. Palakpakan po natin. Ayan, napaka-power si Prince. Ito po na naman ang napaka-power ng aming Prince. Napakaganda na tayo. At napaka-power na sa kanyang suot ako. Ayan. So, of course, let us have a solid photo opportunity. Ayan, photo. Standing as we proceed with our warm-up game. Susubukan ko ang ating pagiging matapat sa honesty game. I'm gonna give you some instructions and descriptions. If you are the one being described in my description, you will take your seat. We have a cash prize, of course, sponsored by our Mami Gemma. Educational plan daw po, sabi ni Daddy Leonard. Last man standing until the end of the game will win a cash prize for next description. If you love your job, sit down. Patingin, sino mga naupo? Wow! Alright. Thank you for being honest. And yung mga love your job na yan, sila yung mga masisipag pumasok, maagang pumasok, excited pumasok. Our next description. If you are a late person like me, Char. If you are a late person, please sit down. Alam mo yan, yung mga late sa usapan, mga late sa trabaho, mga late sa pagpasok, ayan, mga late gigising. If you are a late person, please sit down. Alam niyo po yan sa sarili niyo. Okay, konti na lang natira. Yung mga natira po na yan, they are an early bird. We have 5 singers here. Okay. Tara kayo dito. Okay, dito na lang. So, dito na lang. Ayan. So, syempre, hindi kami naniniwala. You have to prove. You have to prove us. Okay. Siguro, unahin ko na syempre si ate. Siguro, konting chorus lang. Konting chorus na marinig lang namin na you can sing.
It's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
What about the big round of applause for Miss Shaira? Alright, thank you Miss Shaira. So syempre napatunayan na sa atin ni Miss Shaira. Okay, our next is Sir Jamil. Ayan, go Sir Jamil. Just a short chorus. Sure.
Palakpakan mo na.
Alright, wala ba kayong mga kamay? Ayun na yun! Palakpakan natin si Sir Jamil. Dahil dyan, hindi ka qualified for the next category. So si Miss Shaira ay qualified na po siya. So our next si Sir Paul. Okay, ayan. Let's give it up for Sir Paul!
Flavor lang po. Meron po akong song. Start roll po.
Okay, it's okay.
Di pinapansin, pinagtatabi.
Napakaganda. Yun pala, ang ganda na. You are a certified singer, Sir Paul. Alright, our next, si Sir Casey. Yan, Sir Casey.
Nakatanim pa rin nang umamelang binalik mo sa'kin ng
Alright, what about the big hand of applause? Alright, thank you, Sir Casey. And the last but not the least, Sir Harvey. Alright, Sir Harvey.
Nothing's gonna change my life for you. You gotta know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I never asked for more than your love.
Palakpakan po natin si Sir Harvey. to dance. If you don't know how to dance, you may now be seated. If you don't know how to dance, you may now be seated for our cash prize. Let's do it! Okay, talaga ba? Nag-give ka na? Okay, so we have here the two dancers from our audience. Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Shaira and Sir Casey. Bet na bet daw po. Mukhang TikTokeris po itong si Sir Casey. Let's see. Alright, get ready. Pwede na kayo magsabay. If you both know the song, the dance. Let's give them a big round of applause. Pero mas siya yung gumalaw. O gusto mo may entry ka sarili? Ayan, may sarili daw siyang entry. Gusto niya may moment siya, siyempre. Ano naman yung title mo? When she comes down. Okay. Miss Shaira, our dance. Spiritually open our program. May I request everybody to please stand and let us have a prayer to be led by Pastor Edgardo de la Cruz. May I call on Pastor Edgardo de la Cruz to lead us in prayer. Please all rise. Once again, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat and welcome to Prince 21st birthday pool party. Okay, again, I am Ruby Villama de la Cruz and thank you so much for having me here as your host, even though this is my first time, guys. Welcome to Tres Marias Farm Resort. Ang ganda pala dito. Ayan, first time ko din dito nakapunta. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let me introduce to you the reason why we are all gathered here tonight. Let us all stand as we welcome the very handsome man of the day, our debutant, none other than Prince Alexis de la Cruz Buenaventura. Palakpakan po natin. Ayan, napaka-promo si Prince. Ito po na naman kasama ko sa bilang kami Prince. Napakaganda na tayo. At napaka-promo na sa kanyang suot ako. Ayan. So, of course, let us have a solid photo opportunity. Ayan, photo op. Nakakaalam ang tamang sagot. Taas lang po ng kamay. Unahan lang po, Okay, who knows the better thing? What do you think is the favorite ice cream flavor of our debutant? Okay, si Kuya.
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream, how do you know that?
Pagkasama po kami
Iyon ang patunay, kaya who knows the better, di ba? Ano pangalan mo?
Gio ba?
Ayan, si Gio. Ang sagot niya ay cookies and cream is correct! Tama si Gio.